VDC Pro is the ultimate way to do your decor, whether it's single family homes, condos, or towns. It allows users to start either online or in your decor center and select every option, upgrade, and material you have available and see it visually. Down the left, you have the menu of all of the different steps that you need to complete. Down in the bottom, I also have a running total of my upgrades, my immediate deposit due, and one really important feature, the mortgage impact. And then finally, you actually have the 3D visualizer, which shows off the actual space you're looking at, through to actually checking out and signing, whether that's done online or in the decor center. The system also has something very important and very complex, which is dependency and repel logic. So what is dependency and repel logic? It means that we can group certain products that have to be adjusted together and other products that reject each other and are incompatible. This helps to make sure that no one can misconfigure a house with incompatible products or missing dependent products, such as if you get a gas stove having a gas line. I'm going to confirm that I'm done with my selections. I can start over, edit my selections, which will take me back, or check out. And I'm ready to begin signing now. What you'll notice as well, you're seeing screenshots of every space. This is extremely useful for one, for remembrance for the client of what they've chosen, to be able to confirm later on that they actually got the upgrades they bought, and two, for the contractors on your sites to be able to quickly go from room to room in your development and confirm that the right finishes are being applied at a glance without having to double check the spec list immediately. So that's it. We just bought $49,000 in upgrades, and all we had to do was spend $335 a month.